Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can activate Netherlands theme on Facebook Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Messenger and you need to update your Messenger application. As you can see, my Messenger is up to date. Then you need to go back and open Messenger, and then you need to select the conversation for which you want to change the theme, and after that you need to click on this icon in the top right. Here you need to click on theme, and after that you need to select Netherlands and click on select. So now you can see that Netherlands theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.